बुलाना चाहूंगी अन्वेषा अवस्थी को, जो उत्तर प्रदेश से आज हमारे बीच आई हैं और अंग्रेजी भाषा में सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल पर अपना वक्तव्य प्रस्तुत करेंगी। जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए अन्वेषा अवस्थी का।
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Anvesha Avasthi, stand before you to speak about a man who was not merely a political leader but a visionary architect of modern India, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. His life, principles, and patriotism continue to inspire generations even decades after independence. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel was born on October 31st, 1875. In a small village called Nadiyad in Gujarat. Despite growing up in a modest rural household, Sardar Patel harbored big dreams. He studied diligently and went on to become a barrister from the prestigious Middle Temple Inn in London. On returning to India, he started his law practice in Ahmedabad and soon became one of the most successful lawyers in the region. While his law career flourished, his heart was deeply stirred by the plight of India under British rule. This inner calling transformed him from a brilliant lawyer into one of the greatest freedom fighters and statesmen of India. But perhaps his most extraordinary contribution came after India attained independence in 1947. Amidst the chaos, bloodshed and displacement, Sardar Patel faced the monumental task of integrating more than 560 princely states into one nation. But as India's first deputy prime minister and home minister, he took upon himself the challenge of uniting these scattered territories into one political and geographical entity. Through a combination of persuasion, negotiation, and firmness, he succeeded in convincing the vast majority of rulers to accede to India. And within a remarkably short period, he achieved what many consider impossible, the political unification of India. And for this unparalleled feat, he is rightfully remembered as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel passed away on December 15, 1950. His passing marked the end of an era of integrity, courage, and unbreakable resolve. But his legacy did not fade. It lives on in the unity of India, in the strength of our institutions, and in the ideals of good governance. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is a widely celebrated freedom fighter as well as a respected leader. He lives on in our remembrance as a silent sentinel of India's freedom. A man with a resolve of steel, but a heart full of love for his country. As we celebrate Rashtra Ekta Divas, let us pledge to uphold the values that Sardar Patel lived and died for. Let us work for an India that is united in diversity, progressive in spirit, and strong in character. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद अन्वेषा।